Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on your Skype. But before that, if you don't have Skype yet, if you haven't downloaded it or you don't have any account yet, please do check my other videos. I'll show you how to do it. So let's go back. Just open your Skype, look for someone you want to block. So, okay, I'll just gonna block this. And after that, hit this one. It's like the settings. So manage group. So click that one and you will see the profile of the guy and scroll down at the bottom. You will see the red black contact. Just click that one and you can choose to report or just block the guy. In my case, I'll just gonna block the guy. So there you have it. So if you wanna check, just go to settings and then contacts and then black accounts and you will see this guy, it's already been blacked. I hope this video helped you and see you on my next video. Bye.